Patuloy ang welga ng mga personal care workers sa Toronto dahil sa anila ay mababang sahod at umano'y pagbawas ng mga benepisyo. Umaasa naman ang kanilang employer na tatanggapin ng mga PSW ang kanilang offer at bumalik na sa kanilang mga trabaho. May report si Teresa Radula.
Nandito ho tayo malapit sa isang long-term care home sa North York, Ontario, kung saan halos isang buwan nang nagwawelga ang higit 20 personal support workers. Ang kanilang panawagan, makatarungang sahod at mga benepisyo.
The workers, united, will never be defeated.
Nagmarcha nitong Martes sa May Dufferin Street at Playfair Avenue ang mga miyembro ng QP Local 5525, mga personal care workers ng senior residents sa Villa Colombo Homes for the Aged. Mahigit 3 linggo na mula ng simula ng mga manggagawa ang strike. Ayon sa QP, umabot na ng 3 taon bago umusad ang negosasyon sa kauna-unahang collective bargaining mula nang sila'y maging unionized noong 2022. Pangunahing dahilan daw ng strike, sinusubok daw umano ng kanilang management na tanggalin ang sick days at benefit plans.
We know how to bargain collective agreements. And unfortunately, in this case, the employer is just trying to roll back wages, roll back benefits, so that these workers will have less than when they join the union. And nobody joins the union to go backwards. So really, fundamentally, that's what this is about. Fair wages and benefits and respect at their jobs.
Ayon sa mga PSW na lumahok sa welga, ilan daw sa mga pinakamaapektuhan nito ang mga care home residents na inaalagaan daw ngayon ng replacement workers.
Sana pakinggan ang aming mga mithi at ang aming mga hiling at ikamay ibalik na magtrabaho na dahil mahirap at nahihirapan din ang mga kliyente na wala kami sa kanila. Namimiss na nila kami at yung serbisyo na ibinibigay namin hindi na ibibigay katulad lang ipinagbibigay namin sa kanila.
Villa Colombo doesn't want to give our benefits. They want to carry our short disability, change our the job, carry 50% of the dental. We are here for that. And they are larger where they say that they give a good package. That is not true. I want that they take in consideration us because we are a human person. We are working for many years and we care about our seniors. We dedicate many years. It's something where we are together working and they miss us because now from the agency they are working but they don't treat the same.
Sa pahayag ng Villa Colombo, Toronto sa Omni News, prioridad daw nila ang safety, well-being at dignity ng kanilang mga kliyente. Inihain daw nila ang anilay fair and competitive offer, kabilang ang wage increases, 12 renewing sick days at iba pa. Umaasa raw silang tatanggapin ng mga manggagawa ang kanilang offer at bumalik sa trabaho. Dagdag ng Villa Colombo, sa halos 5 dekadang serbisyo, hindi pa raw sila nakaranas ng anumang labor disruption.
None of these folks want to be out here. They all want to be providing the services that they love doing day in and day out. But at some point, occasionally, we have to take this type of action. And it's not easy for any of them. It's not easy for their families. And just if you can, show their support for these folks and let this government, let this employer know that all workers deserve a fair wage and decent benefits.
Nagpakita rin ng suporta sa mga apektadong manggagawa ang ilang migrant groups sa komunidad. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.